what we realized is when we published the Engineering Body Care report at the back end of 2017 was the systems approach. And I got permission from the Academy to bring the work back into my own group in the Engineering Design Centre here at Cambridge to think about the how. And we've had a history of designing toolkits for inclusive design, for risk assessment. And we thought, well, what would a toolkit look like in response to engineering better care? So engineering body care is a set of questions, and you can formulate them around a process of improvement from the current performance to something measurably better. And then we thought we'd better put some process in there. So understand the context, define the problem, develop the solution, collect the evidence. And that's a nice iterative, simple design process, and underpinned by make the case, manage the plan, and most importantly, agree the scope. And in all of that is still a how. How do we do it? How do we coordinate and organize that? And what we found is that the best way to do that is to show people why these perspectives matter. So run a set of interactive exercises with known engineering products to show why thinking about the system, the risk, and the design matters. And then we simply say, on one piece of paper, tell us what you know about the context, the problem, the solution, the evidence, the case, and with no boundaries to that thinker. So if they think they have the answer, we write it down. But the answer to what problem? Or if they don't know what the problem is, at least tell us about the context and tell us what you can measure. Tell us what's important. And we find what we call the improvement canvas, where we try and capture this information, is the starting point for people at any level to try and figure out where they are in this complex problem-seeking, problem development, problem-solving arena, so that they then can start to plan how to progress.